Hello, I'm Anna from Computer Science Department. I've come here to demonstrate on the program merge sort and quick sort. As we have seen in the insertion and the selection sort, these both sorts are also used for sorting an array. The difference between the merge and the quick sort is in the merge sort we are using an extra array to store the value. In a quick sort we doesn't use a extra array. First I have declared the program with the header file using a namespace, and I've declared an array of 50 in the hint. I'm using a void merge. In this program, first I am actually passing the elements, that is I'm giving n and I here. I'm first declaring that, and it will be passed out here, that is int low and int high, and that will be compared here with int is equals to mid, and if low is less than high, you'll have mid is equals to low plus high by 2, and that is a condition. According to the merge sort, we'll have low comma mid, and when the mid is increased, you'll go along with the high, and finally you'll have the three values, that is low, mid and high. And then here comes the function, that is void merge int low, int mid and int high. Here also I have the variables h, I, j, b, and I have an array of b of 50, and I am declaring that h is equals to low, I is equals to low, and j is equals to mid plus 1. So here we are giving us while h is less than or equal to mid, and with the logical hand j is less than or equal to I, you'll have a if condition as a of h should be less than or equal to a of j, and then it will be true as b of I, that the array of that is the array b of I should be equal to the a of h, and then the h will be incremented, the low value will be incremented, or else you will have b of I should be equal to a of j, then the j value will be incremented. J value is the mid value has been incremented, and plus the I should be incremented here. The same goes on for the next condition. If the h value is greater than mid, like you'll have a separate condition where you'll have I should be incremented, and else the I should be incremented again. But the condition here is for loop is k is equals to j here in the first loop, second loop k is equals to h, and then finally for loop is k is equals to low and k is less than or equal to high in k plus plus, and then I have declared the main function where you have to enter the output statement. Please enter the number of elements you want to sort and the number you will give, and then this loop is for the numbers, that is merge of 1 and n, that we are declaring to pass the elements in the starting of the program, and in the sorted list will be displayed here. And then this for loop is to end the program to display the array of elements. Now let's see the output. So please enter the number of elements you want to sort. Giving 5, I am giving the number of elements. So the elements has been sorted in the form. Now let's see the quick sort. In the quick sort, it is similar to the merge sort, but here you will have a new node called pivot. Pivot is a root node. Here you will have a function of array of here you will have an empty array, and you will have int of flow, int of high, that is declared under the void quick sort. And then we have a condition here, that is if low is less than high, you will have a loop there, that is I is equals to low plus 1, that means the low value will be incremented, and high should be less than I should be less than high, and h plus plus. And then a condition is if pivot is greater than array of I, you will have a comparing condition, that is a of p is equals to a of I, and then a of I should be equal to a of p plus 1, and a of p plus 1 is equals to pivot, then the p value should be incremented, and then you'll have the passing array here, that is the quick sort a comma low, and low comma e minus 1 will be passed, and then you have the main function where you will have a size declared array of 100 I, size and low and I. You are entering the output statement, enter the size of the array and enter the elements. I am using a loop for the elements to be entered here, that is for I is equals to 1, I is less than size, and I plus plus, and you are giving the input as a of I. Then you will have, and I am declaring, I am actually initializing low is equals to 1, I is equals to size, and then I'm passing all the elements, that is a comma low comma h, the 3 elements here, and then I'm displaying the sorted array, and I'm returning the value of 0 from the main function. Now let's see the output for this. So enter the size of the array, the same 5, the same elements. So the elements has been sorted in the order. So like this is the end of the program. Thank you.